Hello, YouTube friends and family. It's Michelle. Welcome back to the channel. I know it has been months since I last posted, and for that, I apologize. Life, business, everything has just gotten away from me. It's never my intention to fully leave YouTube, and it's always, my goal to post at least once a week or once every 2 weeks, and I've been doing such a horrible job at it, but I've been so busy with life. I'm a grandmother of 5 now. I just had a granddaughter, my first granddaughter. So I've been busy just really being grandma, being wife, and then being an entrepreneur. So I am so sorry for my absence. But today I was folding up 6 loads of clothes, and I thought, why don't I just turn on the camera and let you guys watch me fold these clothes and kind of chit chat with you and just kind of hopefully find my way back to YouTube. Like I said, it was never my intention to fully leave. So I am folding up these 6 loads of clothes. Currently, what you see me doing is just kind of sorting my clothes from my husband's clothes, separating out the linen. These are all clean clothes. I just kind of throw all the clean clothes on the bed, and then I sort them at the end and fold them. And it usually takes me about 25 minutes to do 6 loads of laundry, folding them and putting them all away. So I'm going to stop talking, let the music play, and let you see how I get through folding these clothes. Now, these are all work clothes, so they're not going to be fancy folding and all of that good stuff. This is just to get them put away. Thanks, guys. Thanks for coming back.
triple line Feel upset at yourself every time 等不到的也许就是现在 You don't give a fuck Fresh around you anyway Anytime 感应就像在那手机里不停猜 L plus R input 死循环失了智的骂着他的不间断却又被他牵着鼻子走无限转是不是觉得没有他就没有 life 像失去了氧气的 candle fire Can't hold the growing knowing my desire Feel bad and say Please get out my sight I'm not your fucking toy Can you find another scum boy And keep that in your hand now Delete the chatting records PYQ for 3 days on now Hey, do you really like me? Tryna get closer, see But that's just your camouflage Like that, knowing you lie Spend the lonely night Better to play games right Even teammates like me more than you did Anytime 感觉就像在那手机里不停闪 L plus R input 的循环失了智的说着生活有多简单 Wake up in the morning it's a better round 是不是觉得没有他照样 keep life 像是那无忧无虑的 hearty fire If she keeps coming to it every time Feel angry and say Please get out my sight I'm not your fucking toy Can you find another scum boy And keep that in your hands And delete the chatting records PYQ for 3 days on Nah, nah, nah Nah, nah Da 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 da